kauturan, I am so blessed and I learned a lot from Ma'am. No, kaya ako hinablo sa balay and villager. So, pinanigid kami magpanggap. This afternoon, I will not add, why naman to question, kay Laro, ako naman niya, on a teacher's note, not as a parent. Mawonder ka mo mga kauturan, ginatagan ko sa Ginoo sa kamay nga gift, that many students will open up to me, Dok, nag-drugs ko ba lang? Natin si PAC but general. Dok, nag-premarital sex ko ba lang? So may ara kami nga role as second parents. And it is a gift. Because sometimes they do not open to their family. And I said, she is a psychologist. I am not, but I have a little experience how I did it. I'll make it short. Number one, I mingled with them. Katuan ko na sila kung taga-sipak na sila, be. Manotis ko may problema. Katuan ko na sa dorm. Ani ka man. Ay na visit tayo ka sa ila, be. That sometimes other teachers do not do. Ma-feel ba yan kanila? And then kung kakaon sila, baka matuga. Kung ano ang ilang dumi. Diba? Pag-isa, you assess what's happening just by tingling them. Ang una kong hadlok na itong mga kids, kung nag-inom sila, tinalangan na sila tayo. Pero ask the CPAC, mga problematic students, who is their lawyer to be who defends them? Why? Because they know I mingle with them. That's important. Mga kauturan and parents, mamingil kita because Christ's method alone will give true success. Kag ang method ni Jesus, He mingled with them and desired for their own good. Bisan ano pa na. Makibot ka lang, damuta mo, daabot, don't ma-defend kami, babe. Can you be our defender? Ay, third year pa lang mo sa school, I'm not yet a good lawyer, but I know we're safe in your hands. Mingle with them is really very important. Tatuin man sila sa ila room, sa ila classroom, sa ila barkada. Very important. Nakita ko rin sila limang grabe, hindi sila mag-mingle. Grabe. The second one, lima lang nino, after you mingle with them, let's love them. Unconditional love. Habang Ellen G. White, the strongest argument in favor of the gospel is a loving and a lovable parent, a loving and a lovable Christian. Nagis. Makibot. Sorry ba? Makabalbang ba ma? Makibot ka mo class. Isang teacher mo. Makibot ka mo mga kauturan. Kasi yan na high school students. Open up sila. Dok, akong balapapa, daw na ating. Bata pa yung sa buwak. They will feel if there is something in us, nga hindi natin sila i-judge that we are loving in nature. Can you imagine, may araw sa chantihan ba siya sa akon, but I will not tell you of the details. Dog, wala ba yung kabalos kung sino akong papa? Wala ba yung mama? Akong mama naman ang isa, dua, tatlo, sumbong ako sa Koreano. Tapos ang kaupod ba sa akong ng lolo, sa akong mama, pero ang wife pala, dinunod niya wife. Iyan ang kauban sa balay, tapos may nubyo ng apat. Can you feel the privilege? It means a full trust of someone else, and that's what we need in our home. After we mingle with them, they will feel that we are with them. Let's keep on loving them. After we love them, here comes ang inambal ni Ma'am. Listen to them. And after we listen to them, it's time to support them. Pag wala na nag-mingle sa atong pamilya ng kabataan, natagaling kabalos, inyo ilang barkada, ay ginatabog ta. That's why sa balay, oh, come! Kadali ko mapapuli kay nga managaw naman kami karon, di ba? Nagaw to sa bypass road. Let's sit together. Ginagaw mo na yung atensyon nila yan. Agawon mo ginabila atensyon sa ila cellphone. And then I set boundaries. No cell phone during eating, no cell phone during worship, no cell phone during study hours. The rest is yours. But of course, in our family, pag makatinggal na ko, may support na ko sa ila, I adjust with the autonomy. Pag minors pa sila, may adjustment din na kami. Dahil you are minors, you are under our tutelage. Therefore, we have to check on your cell phones. Pag wala pa 18, we have to check on your password. Because premarital sex, illicit relationships, is our fault. Because we don't know their password and they have their Facebook at age 7 years old. They don't know what's happening to the world. Pero tama to kay ma'am, dapat may agreement and know the limitations. But for me as a legal person, as long as you have not reached the age 18, you are not independent. Because premarital sex begins with self-love. Kanto na diri, wala di si mama kag si papa. Where are we? That is why i-guide din sila. We can help them form a Facebook. Buligan tagin sila. So first is we mingle with them. Then let's have an aura of a loving family just like this couple. Kita ko ganyan paano niya na-transform ang ilang kabataan to become the best version and successful persons, become best parents also of the grandparents. I am a witness. After we love them, it's time. Come on. We listen. And the last is, we support. Ako villager, grabe, hindi kayo magtindihan ay. Pag-ama na doon, ako wala ma-opening prayer, special sa pag-apon, opening prayer na gina, sabat sa lesson, because plus pastor sa AAB. Pag-aapon din lahat gusto na akong daan na bayo, kaya ako mga bayo, updated ka na. So itong mga daan na 15 years ago, dako man, i-plancha na ako. Siguro, not to brag, it costs 7 to 10,000 sa kultura. Plancha ko din. Pag-plancha, ginahog ko kagabi. Makita gini mo, di ba, ma'am, no words? Ingon ganin mo nga, sa ilang generation, i-post na lang yun. Awa na sila sa inyong kantahan. Nag-abot na sila kay Sir Julius sa AAP. Kami, mahambal pa kami ng ari na kami. Sila yung mag-post picture. Awa na, stress ka. Ang bago, this is a gift because bago ka pa lang naman ka na part sa citizen. You don't need to explain. That is love, support, and doing. Ako hinaglos, kita ko yung needs sa academic, ma-pressure kayo siya sa akong achievement sa life. She graduated by God's Grace Gold Award in AIB, and she passed scholarship sa St. Lucie, and she is one of the only very few, I think 5, who got full scholarship in St. Lucie. So pag nakita ko mga full scholar, let's celebrate! Let's hit outside! Let's go somewhere! Pero strict ba yan? Limitations are limitations. Thank you, ma'am. I'll end up here. I learned a lot from you. And mine is not as a parent, but as an educator who's able to win the hearts of students who cannot tell this to their administrator. Why? Kapalugin na sila yung sendong na sila. Kapalugin na sila yan. That is why Jesus' method is still the best method. What is that? Like a woman at the well. Wala pa siya gani 1 minute, naka-open up na siya sa niyang kabuhi. Ako lang kumana, kapaluka, ako niya, nag-open up siya tanan. And what was the last? Tawad ko ang inyong kabarangay. I will tell you that I will tell them that I have met you. Let's mingle with them. Let's love them unconditionally. Let's listen to them. Let us support them. There is no other best way but the way of Christ. Kabayan, inuubang pahanggang sa